Hey traders, hope everyone's having a great session so far, and you've had a great week as well. Unfortunately, I haven't done any trades this week. I try to get on about half an hour during the market open, but I have to wake up at 2:30 for work this week with morning shifts over the weekend off, so I can do some reviewing and some analysis. But the unfortunate reality was it was just going to be probably too dangerous for my health. If I got, really in the end, I would probably have like 2 hours sleep in the evening, so I decided against that. I just want to talk about CNET as well. It didn't really offer a did buy opportunity, in the first hour or so when I normally would trade. Look, I mean, a little bit. Look at that spike there. Got to 896 as well. Interesting. Would have been hard to execute though when I was doing that. That's really challenging. Would have been really quick as well. Look, I mean, maybe here there was a bit of an opportunity. I mean, one was the close 720 to like 774. It's not really fantastic, but we'll see. It might peter out and then take off later in the session, but nothing really on offer quite yet. What else do I have up on here? CLSN. These guys. I think there was FDA announcement of study evaluation of immunology to treat newly diagnosed stage 4 ovarian cancer. Okay. We go 2 days and we go to the net chart. Let me see what's on offer. Oh man. Yeah, when you see that, I can't do a lot with that, so I'm going to leave that. LANU. I'm just going over what I had. This must have been from my watch list yesterday I put together. I did do a watch list yesterday. Unfortunately, I had a few things on tonight and I couldn't get to the computer until just now. Then when I did get home, I had some updates I had to do for my laptop, which I put off and I've totally forgotten about. And it's unfortunate. I don't know why I've got this. This is interesting. Did you buy marijuana stock? Okay, so it doesn't. Interesting. Must have been halted or something with all that going on. I'll close that down. What I'll do, just with the internet's not really running that great tonight, surprise, surprise. I'm just going to close down a few stocks that aren't really doing a lot. This won't be a long video. I've got to get up again early tomorrow morning. Not too early. Got a 6 AM gym that I've got to get to. And the things we do as traders. We've got IGC. I'm going to close that down as well. It's lagging a little bit. MGTI. Interesting. And I noticed I got quite a lot of views for that latest watchlist video. I wasn't in a position to trade last night. I was disappointed because CNET would have offered a nice sort of trading opportunity. So, well, that's interesting. Little sell off there. So close that candle. 459. So moving. Nothing really spectacular with that. I'm going to close that down as well. I'm going to close CLSN down too. That really didn't do a lot. It was doing a lot pre-market yesterday, I noticed. Nothing much to talk about. CPHI. What about DELT as well? Let's have a look at DELT. See what's going on there. Okay. Gonna have to conclude the video soon. I'm trying to be as coherent as possible. I've just got a bit of a throat tingle. I do apologize, guys. This week has been pretty crazy. Okay, that's really interesting how it must have been halted. What do these guys do? Okay, interesting. So they're in, looks like chemical manufacturing. Speciality. Let's say laggy. Oh my god. Interesting. Look. No trade on that really. I'm just focusing on dip buys, guys, so I apologize if it's a little frustrating if you see something setting up. I mean, is this a breakout? It could potentially be. And with the resistance up here in the 370s, maybe. But I'm just going to leave it now. I've been working on analysis of dip buys and really studying that area, so I'm just going to keep focusing on that, and then expand my horizons once I've got a little bit more consistent with that. But as it stands, I'm not really seeing a lot. What's the volume on that one? Look, it's a little bit sideways. I mean, if we come back down here to the 640s and then get a bullish candle print like something like that after it dips down, that could be something worth taking potentially. I'm just not going to be able to hang around until that happens. I mean, okay, it's a little bit of sell off. It either takes two ways. It sells off and breaks down through here, and then it's sort of good night for the stock. But we'll see, it's up. It was up a lot yesterday. Wow, what was it, nearly 800%? Man, that's crazy. That is unbelievable. CNET, that's a lot of volume that's grabbing my attention. I'm going to try and vocalize as much as I can just to sort of get my thesis across at why I look at certain stocks. I do like to do a watch list beforehand around 9:30, but I wasn't able to do that, so I'm not too prepared, which is not always the best. Now, look, I'm gonna wrap the video up, guys. I thought that was TRXC, but it's not. I don't want to, but I'm just gonna have to call it a night, unfortunately. I hope everyone has a fantastic session. Good luck, guys. No trades this week, unfortunately, but that's life, and I'm going to continue studying over the weekend, and I might try and catch the close later today as well, so I'm going to get some sleep now, guys.